We have to find length of segment LM. We have given segment KM that the length of KM is 42 and the length of KL is 8. So we can write equation that KM segment is equal KL, because L is between this K and M, plus LM. Now we can substitute segment KL by 8 and KM by 42. So we have that 42 is equal KL is 8, and we have LM. We don't know the length of LM. So now to find LM, we will move 8 to the left side. So it will be 42 minus 8. We have to change the sign. We have positive 8, so it will be now negative, is equal LM. So 42 minus 8 is equal 34. This is LM. So our segment LM has length 34. This is my solution.